How to remove the drive pulley from a Briggs Stratton. Before you can remove the oil pan from your engine to do internal repairs on your Briggs Stratton engine, you will need to remove the drive pulley from the power takeoff PTO shaft extending from the base of the engine. The drive pulley is crucial to run a belt that can run a variety of things while the Briggs Stratton engine is running. Things you will need: pipe wrench, socket wrench and set. Set your Briggs Stratton engine on its side to reveal the drive pulley bolted to the base of the PTO shaft. Tighten the pipe wrench onto the PTO shaft area above the drive pulley. Fit the proper size socket and the bolt holding the drive pulley onto the base of the PTO shaft. Firmly hold the pipe wrench with one hand as you rotate the socket wrench on the drive pulley bolt counterclockwise. Pull the bolt out of the drive pulley and pull the drive pulley off of the PTO shaft if it didn't already fall off when you unscrewed it.